Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the JavaScript. Today we are going to learn about the shorthand techniques in JavaScript, and the topic of today is object property shorthand. So in the previous JavaScript version, what we are using, we define the two variables, right? And in if you, we want to get that one, we are assigning to the object like person, first name. This is the value of the first name, last name. This is the value of the last name to how to shorten this code in the ES6 syntax. So the easiest way is you need to just pass, like suppose you have first name, last name, const person, first name and the last name. Just you need to pass if the variable names are the same. Okay. So let's have a look on that one. So let me copy and paste this one in the console. Okay, so here we can see that console.log. Okay, and here we have the person, and let's enter it. You can see that object first name John and the last name John. Okay, so let me go with another code with this one, the same thing. Okay, is it print the same thing or not? And I will write console.log person. Okay, console. Okay, there is a issue in that console declaration. Let me reload. Okay, so here you can see that first name John, last name John. So which one is more easier? This one, because it requires less lines of code may be the same, but you can see that you can see that the spaces, right? It will take the less rather than this one. So this is the easiest way that if you want to use the object property shorthand, so you can use this one in spite of being this one. Okay, so in the latest version of JavaScript like ECMA 6 and 5, you can use this property to enhance your code or concise your code. Any doubt, any query in that, let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. Don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.